Hey guys, so I just wanted to do a quick unboxing of an AMD Ryzen 7 2700X CPU chip. So I will try not to talk too much, but rather try to give you a good idea of what you're getting yourself into once you buy one. So here we do see the side of the chip, on the side of the box, better said. You do see the chip there. Good looking chip. So I have opened it already. It's not a complete unboxing, but everything for the most part is exactly the same. So we could start off with the chip. Comes in this little box. And then we could go ahead and open this up. Just have some documentation in there. Set that aside. So here we got a pretty cool looking sticker. Like that. And let's open this up. And there is the chip. Good looking chip. It is pretty heavy, but I think it's about the same weight as I have an 8320 FX currently installed on my system, and I remember it weighing similarly, but I could be wrong. But yeah, that's the chip. Give you a good idea of how it looks. So let's go ahead and let's put that back in, and let's continue on. See what else we find. Close that up. Put this back in here, and we could get to the heatsink. So here's the heatsink. Go ahead and pull that out. Nothing else in the box aside from this. These little flaps to keep the CPU looking out through this little window they got here. So yeah, I know when you have upgraded this, when I got my 8320, it came with, you know, the heatsink that used to come in the box. It was pretty terrible. So this is definitely much heavier and a much nicer looking heatsink. We'll take a quick look at the heatsink, but just so you can see down there, we have looks like a fan header and RGB lighting control to a pin to the motherboard on the left. So there's that. Other than that, the box is empty. So let's take a look at this. So we do have already pre-applied thermal paste, which is nice. And nice contact with copper, so we see direct contact. And then here we have the rest of the fin arrays. And of course the top of the heatsink. So this is pretty heavy. I'm trying to keep a good grip on it. But and this ring here is RGB, which I will be doing a build with this very soon. So we're going to be able to take a look at it. But yeah, other than that, pretty good looking heatsink. So yeah, I just wanted to give a quick rundown of oh, and this is braided, which is nice too. Just wanted to give you guys a quick unboxing on the new chip. Well, not so much new anymore. It came out a little while ago. But in case you're thinking of getting one, or if you already ordered one, you could have an idea of how it would be. And everything goes back in the box nicely. I think perhaps this way. Yeah, this way. So yeah, pretty good looking chip. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a build with it, an AutoCAD build. So looking forward to that. But other than that, hope you guys enjoyed. See you later.